Continue straight to stay on West 56th Street.